Hey guys, it's Holly from Clubhouse Kids. Welcome back to Make It Monday. Today we're going to make cube steak, and this is going to be another crock pot meal. So come along with me and I'm going to show you how to get this on the table within 20 minutes. So for tonight's dinner, we're going to use chicken broth, a can of cream and chicken soup, a can of French onion soup, some cube steak, some Arger gravy, some red potatoes, and green beans. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the crock pot up to high. And I'm going to put the cube steak in. Add a can of French onion soup. A can of cream of chicken soup. Some Arger gravy, and a little bit of chicken broth, and I'm going to stir it up. Put the lid on, and we're going to let this cook for about 4 hours. In the other crock pot, we're going to do some potatoes. Turn it up to high. And I'm going to use the rest of the chicken broth. And we're going to let these cook for about 4 hours also. Okay, so we're going to make the mashed potatoes. Butter. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next Monday for Make It Monday.